Physics, mechanical properties of liquids, and that pressure of liquid. The normal force exerted by a liquid per unit area of the surface in contact is called pressure of the liquid or hydrostatic pressure. Then pressure exerted by liquid column P is equal to H rho G. So where H is the height of the liquid column, rho is the density of liquid, and G is acceleration due to gravity. So for a point at a depth h below the surface of the liquid density Hp, the pressure P is given by P is equal to P0 plus H rho G. P0 is the atmospheric pressure at depth h below the surface of liquid open to the atmosphere is greater than the atmospheric pressure by an amount rho g h. This excess of pressure is called a gauge pressure. So Pascal's law states that the increase in pressure at one point of the enclosed liquid is in equilibrium or at rest is transmitted equally to all other positions of the liquid and also to the walls of the container, provided the variation in effect of the gravity is neglected. So application of Pascal's law. Hydraulic lift. It is used to lift heavy loads such as cars at a service station. Here the principle is that when a small force is applied over a piston of small cross-sectional area, then due to the transmission of pressure, a large force appears over the piston of large cross-sectional area. This force is used to support and lift heavy weights. So here this is a small piston, this is a big piston. When the force is or weight is put here, this acts on everywhere equally and transmitted to this bigger piston, and it is force is multiplied by how much this cross section is how many times is that many times it is also multiplied, so that if the small effort we can lift bigger weights in this. So atmospheric pressure. The gaseous envelope surrounding the earth is called atmosphere, and the pressure exerted by the atmosphere is called atmospheric pressure. It is maximum at the surface of the earth and goes on decreasing as we move up into the earth's atmosphere. So the value of atmospheric pressure on the surface of the earth at sea level is called 1 atmosphere, 1 atm, and is nearly equal to 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter square. SI unit of atmospheric pressure is Newton per meter square or Pascal. Celsius unit is Dyne per centimeter square. Atmospheric pressure is also measured in millimeter or in centimeters of mercury column. Then the unit of atmospheric pressure used for meteorological purpose is called bar. Thank you.